Ladies and gentlemen, we're live here in Flora Farm, Manila, Seedling Bank, Quezon City. Here with us this afternoon is an authority on butterfly conservation and research. Please welcome Ms. Elizabeth Lumawig, Heitzmann.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to present to you my place, the butterfly house. We're showing here various frames showing the Philippine butterflies, all daylight butterflies, and also the night butterflies and or nocturnal butterflies. So we show to the guests here the difference between the moth and the daylight butterflies, and the male and female, and what species can be used for breeding to help the conservation of Philippine butterflies. And we also have here our area where we show the various insects, like the difference between the grasshoppers and the butterflies. And we also orient the kids about the life cycle, about the eggs, and then the caterpillar. From that stage, it becomes a pupa, and then until it becomes an adult. Further, we also have here some relatives of the butterflies, which are the arachnids or the tarantula, and the scorpions, the millipedes, and the centipedes. Here also are the stick insects, a friendly insect that can go along with the butterflies. They mimic the branch of the mango tree. And beside it is the leaf insect that mimics the guava leaf. So this is one way to show to the kids how mimicry works with the environment.
Do you have any idea, ma'am, how many species of walking stick do we have here in the Philippines?
More or less, what I know is only few species. Normally, we were able to breed only 3 kinds. Okay. But there are a lot to see and to discover in our country.
So right now you are breeding stick insects aside from butterflies, or you are concentrating butterflies only?
Our consideration is more on the butterflies, but we can also extend that on the leaf insects and the stick insects, because they go together in harmony in the butterfly house.
How about this one?
So we also have here some larvae to show to the kids the eating stage, how they eat, they run, and how they crawl. So this is the BCS stage of the butterfly before it transforms into the pupal stage. Beside it is our pupa exhibit, some standing pupa and some that are hanging pupa. On the top are the cocoons, showing the house of the night butterfly.
Can you state some amazing facts about the butterfly, just like what we have here now?
I like to tell to everyone that from the butterflies, we can learn the alphabet from the wing designs of the butterfly. So the small kids can learn the ABC of, just to have by having the butterflies, they can learn the ABC or the alphabet. And they can also learn the numbers 1, 2, 3, they can count by looking at the butterfly designs on the wings.
Okay. Aside from the museum, we have also the butterfly garden. Okay. Ma'am, can you... Okay.
We are now inside the garden with the nectar plants that we use for the butterfly. So this is an exhibition area. We don't breed inside here.
Okay, ma'am, I have a question. What's the difference between the butterfly garden and butterfly sanctuary? Because I would like to enlighten the viewers about the difference between the butterfly garden and the butterfly sanctuary.
Actually, there is no such thing as sanctuary. A sanctuary is a place where one is safe. There is no place where one is safe. So what the others are saying that it's a butterfly sanctuary is actually a passage garden, where the butterfly can just pass, they can feed on the nectar plants, and they can lay eggs on the host plants. And after, they fly again. They fly and leave the area. And the butterfly garden is one naman that is with the host plants and also the nectar plants, but it's confined in a net So they're limited movement, the mobility is limited. So the butterflies are inside, but they are more protected because you can have mechanical control on the presence of the predators. So there is less mortality than in the wild.
Okay, so since we are already here in the garden and we can see and observe some of the butterflies, when we are going to roam around in your garden, can you identify to us the male and the female butterfly? We can find any.
Yeah, and also some of the names of the butterfly.
Sure.
This is a catching net that is normally used by a butterfly catcher. Usually when it's down, you can use it with this length. But you can even make it longer by extending it. And then by fixing it tight. Then you can catch like that. Close it. Then you take the butterfly. So make a sample of it by catching one.
Okay.
This is a female butterfly. It's easily identified because also of the wings. The wing design usually of this kind have the white strand extended and the white patch here. And the genitalia, you can see, is big, and that's the hole where that's the hole of the female. This is where the female genitalia enters in case they mate. So this is the female. If we search one that is the male to make a comparison. Okay?
Okay.
Ganda. So this also is a food supplement. This is made up of the sugar solution. Usually it's sugar with mixed in the water. Or if you have honey, you can mix honey with water or a juice with water. It must be something sweet, but not sticky. It has to be diluted so this can easily be taken by the butterfly when they feed. Oh, you caught already one. What do you think is that? Let me see. So, this is now the male. See the male, the white extension is also limited. And there is the clasper down, no? You know, you can see. Meron siyang clasper sa dulo. The clasper is where, when the male gets excited, the genitalia comes out here in the opening. Ito yung male. Okay. Don't take them by the wings. Take them here on the thorax.
Sorry.
Okay. That's how to handle them. You should take them by the thorax.
So when we are going to handle them, we don't have to hold them in the
by the wings. Take them on the thorax.
Okay, thorax.
Yeah, yan. Second section.
Let's split him here.
Ayan, then he's now feeding. Oh, he doesn't like anymore.
Busog.
So